welcome back to another video. So this video is all about unboxing and talking about a bag that I bought, and I wanted to give you a little feedback on why I got it, show you how it looks, break it down, show you what fits in it, like all the things, because when I'm looking for luxury items, I like to do my homework on it. So I wanted to share this with you if you're looking to purchase a luxury bag and just kind of give you a little details on it and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing my new bag that I just got, and the little details on it and why I got it and all the things, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tell a friend, honey. Let's get started. All right, dolls. So let's get into it. So if you know, you know. You got to follow me over on Instagram because you all probably already know about the bag and what I got and all that good stuff. But last week was my 18th anniversary. Yes, I said 18th anniversary. And so we went, I always try to get a luxury item every year. Probably once or twice a year, I try to get myself a luxury item. So I had my eye on this bag for a minute. I was like, this bag is so me, but do I really need it in my collection? So I just kind of kept going back and forth about it. And I was like, I really want to add this bag into the mix because I don't have a YSL bag in the collection. I do have YSL shoes and YSL fragrances, but I did not have a YSL bag in my collection. And so I just kept watching it and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna think about it. So this anniversary, I looked in Louis Vuitton, I looked in Gucci, and I looked in YSL. And so I had my eye on 3 different things and I'm like weighing my options. But this bag stuck out to me. And so with that being said, your girl had to grab it. So first things first, I'm going to show you, do the reveal. So you'll see me doing this reveal, and then I'm going to come back, talk about it, and then come back and show you what can fit in it. So stay tuned to see the reveal, and then I'll be right back. So that's what I got, dolls. I got the takeaway bag from YSL. And so this bag comes in 2 different colors. It comes in black and the silver, and then it also comes in tan with the rustic gold. If you know me, you know me. I love a good black look. That's my favorite. Black is my favorite color. And I didn't have a luxury bag. Well, I have Coach, but you know what I mean? I didn't have a luxury bag that was black and silver. And so I definitely wanted to add that to my wardrobe. Like, I was like, this will be a definitely good piece to add because I'm a fashion girl. I love cute, unique pieces and stuff that people just don't gravitate to so much. But, so I was there. This bag is called the Happy Meal, right? This is what's on here. This bag was made this year in 2023, and it's called the YSL Sack Happy Meal, right? Or the takeaway bag. That's the name of this bag. I absolutely love it. So let me pull my baby out so we can talk about her even more. Girl, she is giving everything that she needs to give. Like, when I seen this, I was like, oh my goodness. The price point was good. It has went up a few extra dollars from the first time it came out. But y'all, when I tell you, great price point. This is real leather. It has YSL engraved all in it. I love, love, love the silver there. It's so nice. This bag will be passed down to my daughter. Like, this is one piece I feel like will be a definitely heirloom to pass down to her. She loves Happy Meals right now. So mama gonna remind her how much she loved a Happy Meal, right? This bag is just everything, y'all. When I tell you the inside has suede on the inside, so beautiful. Like, the way it was crafted, such a beautiful bag. It looks like a little envelope at the bottom. This bag really gives a Happy Meal vibe, seriously. It really does. And so it also has Paris throughout the bag. I don't know if you could really see it, but it has Paris in there as well. But this bag was made in Italy. And I want to show you now what all we can fit in this bag. And then I'll come back and talk more about her. So pretty. So this baby here, y'all, do you see how much you can fit in this Happy Meal? This bag is giving you exactly what it needs to give, honey. I could do so much with it. You've seen all the stuff I put in here, from my cell phone to my perfume, from my brush, my lippies, my ring light that I have for my phone. I mean, you could put so much in here and still it feels, you know, good. It don't feel like it's weighing the bag down or anything like that. So this is a good bag to have. Like, no, it did not have straps, which is fine with me. I don't mind having a handle bag. This bag was made really well, and I feel like it will be a long time piece in my wardrobe. The reason I got it was because, first of all, I love statement pieces. This is a conversation piece. So that was one reason. It's black, one of my favorite colors. And then I don't have a lot of the silver accents to my bags. And so that was one reason that I got it. This baby is going to be loved on in my wardrobe. Like I said, I will definitely be passing it down to my daughter. So when I get luxury pieces, I definitely think about the longevity of it and then how I can pass it along to my daughter and she can have it in her collection as well. So, love this bag. This bag price point, I will put it up on the screen. I can't remember exact. I think it was like 18 and some change. But then, again, it was my anniversary and the experience. I will pop here of me getting my bag and the experience of it. Oh my goodness, y'all, the experience. When I was in there, this experience at YSL, they pulled out the red carpets for us. They had this kind of little event going on. So they had models in there showing off the collections and the new items that they had. So they had a model in there, but the guy that I work with, when I tell you, he gave me an experience. He kept bringing the champagne out, so I was champagning it up. It was definitely the day of my anniversary, so I was able to really enjoy. He set us down. He got my bag together. He said, sit down, relax. They brought things out just for us to look at and see what I really, really wanted. And this baby just stood out. And he told me a lot of history on it and all that good stuff. And so I really enjoyed my experience at YSL or St. Laurent's. I really enjoyed my experience there. This bag would definitely be a memorable bag, and the year that I got it and why I got it and all that good stuff. So I'm super excited about it. I cannot wait to style her up. I cannot wait to really give some looks. So I'll definitely be showing y'all how I'm going to style this beauty up in my wardrobe. So yes, so if you're looking to get luxury items, my thing is, I try to get, like I said, 1 or 2 luxury items throughout the year just to reward myself for the work that I do and all that good stuff. So that's how I normally do it. A lot of girls, I mean, if you got that coin and you can just go shop and buy you luxury items every month, you go, girl. I ain't there yet, but I try to save my coin so that I can enjoy a nice luxury piece. So my tips is to always put a little money to the side, reward money for you so that you can reward yourself and give yourself whatever month it is. So, you know, you can say, hey, the month of November, I'm going to reward myself with a nice luxury piece. And so that's how I do it. I do my homework and kind of see what's out there. And then I do my choosing. So like I told you, I had the 3 different stores lined up an item from each store. And this one just took it. And the experience is what really sold me. The experience in the store sold me on this bag. And I could not leave her there. So that's the bag history on her. I'm just super excited that I purchased this and I got this in my wardrobe. So excited. So if you like videos like this, y'all gotta let me know. You know, I just want to show you and encourage you to get things that you like. You know, I'm always trying to save $1 on my wardrobe, but I like to get a luxury piece here and there to elevate my look. That's my style. I love an elevated look, you know, from wearing a Zara piece, honey, and throwing on a luxury item. It just elevates that look. But yeah, so if y'all want to see me style this up in different ways, please comment below and let me know that that's what you want to see. You want to see some styling videos, just put it down there. Brown, I want to see you style that bag. And then I'll style it. But if y'all don't want to see it, don't say nothing, honey. And then it'll let me know. Don't even waste my time. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this encouraged you to start saving for you to get a luxury piece. If that's where your budget is, it's where you have to save for it. Then start putting a little money. Find out what that item is and break it down on how much you need to save each month for your luxury piece. That's a way to get luxury items when you're on a budget. But honey, if you don't have to budget and you know you got the coin, then go get you some or do an afterpay. Honey, do what you gotta do. Get you a nice luxury piece in the closet to elevate your look, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video, comment below. Let me know if y'all want me to style her up. Tell a friend to tell a friend what Brown Sugar Doll is over here doing, honey. And turn on your notifications so you won't miss a thing. I love you guys for watching. And thank you. Talk to you next week.